Nilip MSC constituency ke parlo ke damtang HSLC asatlang kiuna tumphan nilip KSA aro tumpen felicitation program ke padopon. Bangso mai nilip KSA head branch maipu Gabriel Killing Bensi Mai Japon Lapen Manpeng Aluhia Manpen Moniram Teron KSA Bokajan District Committee Maipu Longbirson Tiso Samson Tiso XMSC Sunil Tok BSDC Asongpen Suresh Tiso KSS Maipu nilip Bileson Terang KLA nilip Jakub Tiso John Killing KSA Bokajan District Committee Klembang Putum Chitongdon Lapen Ningkan Surinang Kore Sipen Surinang Kore Hini HSLC Sokila Center Pen Kadoka Bipen a candidate 354 Kiundunatum 243 La Songbong First Division 26 Second Division 106 Third Division 111 do La Songbong First Division ke Longdun Sangmir Teronpi Cleared up in TP Sarkirihan Se Lapen Pinini Lipen Ongdung Atumphan HSLC Asatlang Kiunatumpan Karchopon along pen ke Chengsi Karbia subject letter mark ke long ke inudvet Bonta Karbia subject ke pining si ke patok chenglang pen sita Karbia subject letter mark ke wan chenga bangsar kirihan se phan ansusi aprang dunje phan lapen ki unduna tumphan ta hirjume pajirpon lapen ki unduna tumphan anta file cover lapen Karbi pohopen archopon chokila pen Philip tiso tike
side lobana left side lobana na front side na back side rasta to lobo to eniko stage of the tumaloge etia so you should be very careful choosing your path. If you miss something, if you miss, then you will regret in your life. Tumaloge ite regret nokuriwa para. Into a certain stage, at a certain age, tumaloge papa. Teacher tumaloge regret kuriwa te moi ahote itu phal decision to do the lole. More life to ajiman also no hole hete. By man digdar no hole hete. So you should be very careful in your life.
First of all, we would like to thank our media friends for coming and taking this news bite. Well, today is 25th of June 2022. The Karbi Student Association's unit branch are organizing a small program to facilitate the Class 10 pass-out students of 2022. And we, the Karbi Student Association, Bokazan District, on behalf of Bokazan District, we would like to express our gratitude to our KSA unit branch for organizing such beautiful program to facilitate our upcoming youth and also the futures of Karbi Anglong. Such initiative, we believe that will boost the morale of the students of Chokiwala as well as and also would set an example for the other part of student, for other parts of students. So we, the Karbi Student Association's Bokazan District Committee, express our gratitude to KSA Native Girls for organizing such beautiful program, and also we would like to express our congratulatory remarks to our students for securing good marks and bringing laurel for the people of Karbi Anglong, and also for their families as well as for the
education. After passing the HSLC exam, so do you think it is necessary for them to especially the counseling for the students?
I think after passing out the students, I think career guidance is very important, and we, the Karbi student, also believe that either the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council or other NGOs or with the collaboration of KSA, we should frequently organize career guidance, because many of our students are particularly from the remote areas and they don't have their parental guidance since their childhood. So I think career guidance is very important, and we also appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils to take this initiative as early as possible, so that the students will not get confused where to move in their coming futures. Because of this lack of awareness, many students they feel organizing a career-oriented program is very essential for the students.
Yes, they are easy to organize such type of program in the NILIP, especially for the NILIP students.
I think not only for the NILIP students, but for the entire Karbi Anglong, career guidance awareness program need to be started.
not only for the NILIP. I think we have students from all over Karbi Anglong. So most of the students, particularly from the remote areas, they are from the very financially very poor families. So and their parents are also, many of them are illiterate, so they don't have the guidance which course to follow after their passing out from their high school and their higher secondary. So I think career guidance is important. So with the Karbi Student Association will take this initiative in coming days, not only here in Nilip but also in other parts of Karbi Anglong as well.
And student
Jamin ke saya saya apa yang ini school school.
Kacu kona teng kana beta ke long teng kana Karbi subject ini halo MIL ke top cheng la kana letter marks ke long so tak nang tham panjang.
Jadi bangga apa yang 9 pen aktif kan minta Karbi bangga talban di program minta ning hangu bani je susah bang untuk ipik lo cari bang bagi pun tentang cilo balong cilo.
Nang tela Karbi subject nang hin ke chali ateng ko tang de kona ki joy la kona ki sung do tham panjang.
Karbi grammar apa sungku cari kan sung le jauh saya Karbi lah ke grammar dah satu
Nang te gong dung atun la Karbi subject ta ke mi thangan lam dek sita non la letter marks ko long thek tun da do. Pasal tuma phan nang ko pia message na ki jeng do.
Ang mapan ang bori sante unji pusi mathala the Karbi ke thang subject pen thang ke thek menda the bori te tong thegi na sa bori te unji
Te non ka pek cha kan teng deng ka chali dia phan kona la college ko na ka ni thaning han do ko PS stream lo kan ni.
Niri bangge don Jepani college admission art stream ticket.
I prefer English. So myself Tanya Das, first time introducing myself. Today I'm feeling really happy and I feel very gratitude because they invite us in this occasion for showing their gratitude and for congratulating us for our experience in our matriculation exam. So I thank our Karbi State Association for inviting us and for giving us our gift and also the treat for them, and also providing the need of education. Today as a generation, many of the remote area people think that doesn't know the importance of education, but these people, which is association with this program, will make us to aware that the need of education for the new generation and for the upcoming generation. So thank you.
From which school did you pass out in
I passed out from my Assumption School.
You have been successful in your SSSC exam. So which of the streams that you have been taking the teachers certificate?
I took science. Science stream.
Science stream. So what are the percentages that you got from the SSSC exam?
I got 72.2%.
Nilip MSC constituency ke parlo chuki hola hemari rongphar arong amekar mojari rongphar kesu kache langjia phan Karbi Anglong keja atuma phan kerap kachuhang lason si ok pranjong si meme pulote pirthei ke hondun ningkangsam awe binom sonthot si chuki hola hemari rongphar arong amekar mojari rongphar kesu ke pangji ningkan ke thombak dolo kesu kache langjia phan chainong bi wo lapen phakhai anta chijor lablo anchot kali hem ahormu anta jor etsi se chelang ponlo bonta ke me ang thek avelang non ke se kachelang jia phan tangka avedetlo lasi mojari rong phara phan asap thimujot adim se ke langdam jia phan Karbi Anglong keja MSc Pobitro rongpi MLA Dr Numol Momin lapen man peng ke the ke ACCM Dr Tuliram rong hanga tuma phan nang ravek thapusi chuning ripon chuki hola pen Philip Tiso tike news
ye chuning ri pekela pulo je non la ki so da ba gani li pulo ke do yo ne masini li pu phanta si penang ke chelang lo ne tum hem hormu do an bi wo chainong la chi or pen sa mi chelang lo bon sta mi u ne de jo ne lo la si no ba ke ne tum sa tong long ke chirap ke rap cho han ke la lo dan ni le blong ki ja to bi tro pi sa alang le phasa mi ke rap cho hang lo la pen Dr Numol Momin la pen CM sa to le ram rong hang alang tu phasa mi บางโซลานี่ได้พูกิสุดแต่บางผู้พันที่ป้ามีเยอะพันสิที่รับจะให้เราละสิแล้วตุ้มทั้งก็จะลางนี้ทักทะเดียรอกินด้วยจอยนี่สิเนี่ยตุ้มคิดดูอันบางกันเนี่ยตุ้มจะประดามมันมาคิดเดี๋ยวสิแล้วตุ้มมันสิที่รับจะให้นังกอกหรอก
cái số của mình tu bên ít lọ
con cái thong
của bia cái số bên gì của son bên gì thu lên đây ít lọ
cái bằng cái môi cái số rap cái số là son là rap tóc linh phụ mà si đào muốn yun phụ gia luôn
anh thế na sa si cái làng hem nó tụm pon ít luôn mà
si cái ta làng bom lo si ta dù hay dù ra lấy trong đào vô phạc lấy cho gió thì ta làng đẹp si ta mi thích thích đẹp vô dần bi dần phạc dần lấy cho gió thì ta cho làng si ta si cái làng ít đẹp